For corkscrew and tic toc, remove the pad and make sure you're on 2 springs. The headpiece is flat, and from here we'll thread the extension straps through the leather and the handles to prepare for long spine or leg circles coming up later. Thread the strap through, connect the handle, and then connect the strap, and then ensure that the metal of the straps is on the outside when your feet are inside the straps, so that the handles don't unhook each other during the exercise. For the corkscrew, we'll just show 3 versions here. First, the legs come up to 90 degrees, elbows are wide on the mat, and the legs make a simple circle to the right, around to the left, and back center. So rolling the weight on one side of the pelvis, around to the center to the other side. And then for the next version, we'll roll over and roll down, make a simple circle, and come back overhead, lifting the hips and then bringing the hips down, making that simple circle and coming up. Next, we'll roll down one side of the back and then come right back up over the eyes, and roll down the other side of the back and come right back up over the eyes. Finally, with a twist in the hips, we roll down one side and come up in that twist, and then twist the other direction and roll down, and then come back up in that twist. This requires great strength throughout the entire spine to lift the weight of the lower body. Next, the tic toc. The legs go to one side as the eyes go to the other. The shoulder remains on the mat as the legs go down. We stay connected through the legs so that one foot doesn't shift as the legs go over. The heels stay exactly connected and squeezing tight together throughout the midline as the body twists. The shoulder on the opposite side, again, always remains close to the mat and the elbows wide.